Just purchased this a couple months ago. We used it a handful of times. Now, when we turn it on, it's making a weird noise coming from right here, and on the guard, there's this residue that's coming off of it. I think it's got something. I think it's got something to do with the bearing. I'm not too sure. But look, so you guys can hear the noise. Yeah, that noise towards the end. That's what it just started doing it a couple days ago. So we're trying to figure out what it is. We checked all the bands and everything else, and it seems to be good to go. The chains are on right. There's no loose parts or anything. So if you guys could just hit us back with some sort of direction or leads, that'd be great. Thank you.